morning from Richard here at Edwin Cars. I would like to wish everyone a happy new year, and being the first Saturday morning of 2020, and just for a few moments would like to show you a few cars that are in stock at the moment. The first one is this 2019 registered Volkswagen Polo SE. This car is fitted with the automatic transmission, makes it quite rare and certainly well worth a look. It is finished in reef blue metallic and certainly very eye-catching. Being the SE trim, it gains such luxuries as alloy wheels, colour-coded mirrors and door handles, rear spoiler. Then moving into the interior, we have a very nicely finished interior, a premium interior. It has the leather multifunction steering wheel and comes with such luxuries as air conditioning, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, all come as standard. A very nicely finished car, and if you're in the market for a small automatic, this is definitely worth a look. Then moving on, we have a 2018 BMW 218 M Sport. This vehicle is only 10,000 miles on it from new, one owner from new, and being the M Sport, it has a number of different differences in it. It has a more aggressive front bumper and M Sport alloys and M Sport interior. This vehicle also benefits from a few optional extras. It has the more aggressive front splitter. It has the M Performance side sills, and it also has M Performance spoiler on the rear. In the interior, we have the suede covered seats with the contrasting stitching, and then on the dashboard we have the aluminium trim. Comes very well equipped with satellite navigation, BMW iDrive, all is standard. If you're looking for something just a little bit different, this vehicle certainly looks the part and is sure to turn heads wherever it goes. Then moving on to something maybe a little more practical, here we have a 2019 Seat Tarraco. This is recently introduced to the Seat range and is certainly a very eye-catching SUV with its striking LED headlights and 18-inch alloy wheels, privacy glass and roof rails. It certainly looks the part, and yet a very exceptionally practical vehicle and sure to appeal to a number of families. In the interior, very nicely appointed, and comes with again satellite navigation, parking sensors, Apple CarPlay, cruise control, all is standard. And moving into the rear, we have the other seating for three, but also this car has extra seats in the rear, making it a full 7-seater, and yet with reasonable bit space as well. So if you're looking for an SUV, a family vehicle, be sure to check this one out. It's certainly a very nice looking car with great savings over the price of a new one. Then moving on, we have a 2019 Subaru Forester. This is the vehicle, has only got delivery miles on it. It is a diesel, and so benefits from great performance and great economy. This vehicle is fitted with the Subaru's legendary all-wheel drive system, making it a true go-anywhere vehicle, and also carries with it the balance of the 5-year warranty, and it's certainly a robust and reliable vehicle with the rear self-leveling suspension, etc. all comes as standard. This vehicle, being the XC trim level, comes with reversing camera, cruise control, heated front seats, Bluetooth, all come as standard, as well as the large sunroof in it as well. So these vehicles are in stock at the moment, as well as a number of other vehicles. Full details can be seen on our website at www.edwinlongcars.com. For further information, you can either call in or give us a ring, and we will be glad to see you, and certainly would be more than welcome to view and take any of them for a test drive. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.